Love is the bridge between you and everything. Rumi. That is going to be the focus of our practice today. So take a few moments to journey inwardly. And when you are ready, take a few moments to reflect on what love means to you. Where do you easily experience love? Think of the people who love you. Think of the people that you love very deeply. And know that no matter what you feel, love is there for you. It is the bridge between you and everything. It is the bridge between you and everyone. It is simply the bridge. A bridge connects two places, the here and the there. It connects what is now and what is not yet. Love is the bridge. It connects you here with the other side, with your beloved ones who have gone before you and wait for you. Love is the bridge. Whenever you need to, just think of it. Love is the bridge that connects, and you are always connected.